Well, Amanda and I's out before the real bad cold hits. Come along this edge here, and there's tines sticking out right here. We're supposed to get a little bit of snow, which it's snowing right now, but this guy would have been all the way buried in a little while, but must have just dropped it last night or something. Bloody. See ya. Amanda says she's got one over here. It's snowing. Oh, there's a big hillside over there. Can't see it. Sweet dude. It's cold out. We're bundled up. Heading back to the house. We got two, so we're out of here.